Halo guys, balik lagi sama Bang Adrian ya. Kita bakal terusin jejak si Gundul lagi. Terakhir kita itu kemarin sampai mana ya? Duh, Bang Adrian juga lupa. Langsung aja ya kita masuk ke gamenya adik-adik. Bang Adrian lupa kemarin udah sampai mana ya? Oh, kita udah sampai sini.
Focus up!
Dan gak sih?
Whoa! Now that's impressive.
Nah, enak. Kenapa anaknya kagak ikut, Cok?
Atreus, to me.
Okay, I'm coming. Listo!
Lama banget, Cok, anaknya. Mana ini, Cok?
There, the light.
Suara apa
They've
itu,
covered
Cok?
it up with that stuff. How would they do that?
Wah, itu yang putih-putih siapa adik-adik?
Another light up. What's he doing? Oh no! Why are they killing him? He didn't do anything.
Do not assume. You are seeing
Yang
the end of a
putih-putih itu
war.
siapa, Cok?
You do not know what led to this moment.
But he didn't even defend himself.
That was his choice. We make ours.
Bring him down! Get out of there! Oh, now.
Malah bisa maksudnya.
The light is near.
Habis kah?
Look for a way inside.
Assalamualaikum, waalaikumsalam, bukan anak baik. What is this, bro? Apa ini adik-adik?
That did it! Look! More light bridges!
Follow me.
Ternyata tadi tombol buat buka jembatan, guys. Mana ini? Cok?
Nightmare! Stay dead! Lisa! You're gonna be okay! Lisa!
Cok.
Lisa, watch it! A little easier than I thought.
Tidak ada medkit adik-adik. Nyawa gue sekarat, guys. Gimana kalau Bang Adrian mati?
You're restoring all the pathways.
Ya, jalannya kebuka lagi. Tuh, ada medkit, ada medkit. Ntar Bang Adrian cek dulu ya. Gaskeun, gaskeun. Cek, ini apa, Con? Neraka kah adik-adik? Apakah ini neraka, guys? Ini harus kita gimana caranya kita bisa matiin semua, Cok?
Huh? Yeah, that looks too hard. Maybe we could find the light somewhere else.
No, give me a moment.
Gimana caranya kita biar bisa buka semua, Cuk? Dari sini kah? Nah. Sini, di sini. Berarti ini di sini. Nice. Satu lagi, dua lagi. Berarti di sini adik-adik, benar gak sih, guys?
Ah,
banget sih Bang Adrian. Mana? Duluan kau. Nanti Bapak nyusul ya.
I don't think we're supposed to be in here.
Quiet.
Sabar.
Did you hear that?
Stay alert and by my side.
Itu apa adik-adik yang ada di depan kita, Cok? Apa yang ada di depan kita? Apakah ini sarang mereka, guys?
Hey, when we make it to the
Apakah
light,
ini sarang mereka, Cok?
how do you think we get it into the Bifrost?
The witch said to step into it
She did?
when she was ripped away from this realm.
Oh, how did I miss that?
You are more concerned with her safety than our goal.
Kaget gua, Cok.
Quiet! I have him. Your knife boy.
Kerja sama yang baik bersama anaknya, cuy. Gila, kaget gua.
That was close.
Pelan-pelan, ya.
Do not stray from me, boy.
You don't gotta tell me. Oh, so sticky.
Sangat lengket katanya, guys.
Another one!
Stay back.
Tadi kayak Hellcat gak sih, guys? Ini mirip Hellcat tadi. Hampir aja anaknya jatuh, Cok.
The light!
Yes, we are near our goal, but we must be careful. Understand?
God.
There. When it falls, be ready. We will need to move quickly.
Okay.
Jump, boy!
Right!
Cepat.
Look out!
Here they come. Stay behind me and protect our flank.
Cuy.
Yes, sir!
Keep shooting, boy. I will clear our path.
Nah, bantuin Bapak, deh. Ada satu kampung ini, Cok.
Shorten the time between your volleys. There are many targets. You will not miss.
Gila, ini kalau bisa pakai Kratos enak banget, Cok.
A narrow path negates superior numbers. Stay focused.
Gila, rame banget, coy.
Boy,
Oh, bocok. Awas anakku ketimpa, Cok.
are you injured?
I'm fine. Wow. It's beautiful.
Hampir aja anaknya ketimpa, coy. Ketimpa reruntuhan.
The light. It's making the whole temple reappear. It's the source of all of it.
Wih,
Wait,
tempatnya mulai bercahaya, adik-adik.
singing. I hear her! I told you I heard her! Do you think she's in there?
Katanya anaknya mendengar sesuatu lagi, Cok.
Ah! That really hurt. I felt like my hand was on
Why
fire.
nak?
Stay here.
But I want to
Stay
go.
here. Only use it as a last resort.
You're giving me your axe?
I'm letting you hold my axe.
Kapaknya
It's not a
dikasih
gift.
ke anaknya cuy.
Still.
Apa dititipin ya? Anaknya gak boleh ikut kata bapaknya cok. Buset, si Kratos mau kemana ini coy?
What is this? Faye?
Apa ini? Apakah kita harus ikutin?
You have to come back. You left me here alone.
Atreus?
Alone with him.
Woi Cahaya tunggu.
He always leaves. He's never here. He doesn't want me and he never will.
Itu kan suara si Atreus adik-adik. Ini kan rumahnya si Gundul ini cok.
I don't know him and he doesn't know me. Doesn't seem to want to. I'm strong. I'm smart. I'm not what he thinks I am. I know better. He doesn't talk to me. Doesn't teach me. It should have been him. Do you hear me? Him, not you.
Apakah ini ada di pikirannya si Atreus, guys?
Except, I don't mean that. You know I love him. I just wish he was better.
Ini
I know
semua
he can.
curhatan si Atreus adik-adik.
So if he tries, I'll try. But if he doesn't, please come back. I know you're out there
Ya,
somewhere.
si Atreus sama ibunya yang udah meninggal kemarin cuy, yang udah kita bakar. Di sini ternyata curahan hati si Atreus, guys. Dia mau ngajak kita kemana ini?
Faye. Wait! Come back! No! No! What have you done? Why did you do that?
I saved you! You were trapped in there! I waited, but you wouldn't come out! So I pulled you out!
Boy! I was gone only... moments.
No! You've been gone a long, long time! I didn't know what to do! You left me here! Again! Why don't you care?
That's impossible.
We should go before they come back. I hope you got what you needed.
Gila, merinding gua cuy.
Yes.
Look,
Dengar
there's our
ceritanya.
exit. But there's no light to make a bridge. We're trapped. And the witch's bowstring is useless.
Boy, your bow. Hold it out.
Ini panah yang dipakai sama ibu-ibu yang nolong kita kemarin, cuy. Siapa namanya gua lupa.
On my mark, loose your arrow into the stone.
Tembak ke situ ya, Dek.
It worked.
Gila.
We can now make
Keren
our way
banget
back.
adik-adik.
Come.
That stairway's blocked.
Mana ini?
There's a light crystal ahead. Just laying there. Maybe it'll help us get out of this stupid place.
Lah, kenapa cepet lagi cuy? Oh, kita harus cari satu bongkahan lagi. Tapi di mana? Bentar guys, satu bongkahan lagi di mana, Cok? Ada musuh lagi tadi. Sendiri anjing. Gila, keren banget gak sih guys, bisa bikin jembatan kayak gini. Wah, dia di atas lagi. Nah, turun kalau berani. Ya, ini. Buset, kagak ngaruh apa-apa, Cok. Gimana kita bisa lewat ke sana? Terus tembak ini, Cok. Mana satu lagi? Paham gua. Kita harus tembak dari sini.
Finally!
Keren gak sih guys?
I'll light the crystal if you find me an angle.
Let us make our way back up.
Yang halangin cuy. Gak bisa ke atas kita. Bentar, bapak cari jalan keluar. Ini deh. Sabar. Iya, persen cuma satu. Nice. Let's go, nak. Kita mendaki, guys.